Okay, this is a video about the homework chapter 8 system of equations. I know it says preview test here. It's not a test. Blackboard calls everything test. This is the homework. All right, so I have question 1 here, and you look in the book, whatever page that is on. So you look for problems 14, 16, 18, and 22 in chapter 8.1, and just a couple of hints. One of them, for the most part, I actually already have these in the correct order. Then there is none of the above because the instructor made a typo. I typed these really fast within the last few weeks, all these here, and there is a possibility for a typo. One of these answers should be correct for any one of them, but you never know if I made a typo. Let me know. And then this answer here, of course, is kind of like a dummy answer, right? So don't choose that one. So again, for the most part, they're actually in the same order here. So I have here for 8.2. So you look in the book, whatever page number that is, chapter 8.2, problem 7, 13, 17, and 19. And then again, the same thing. For the most part, they're probably in the correct order. Notice also that here, as well as in the last problem, I chose that you have some solutions for the matrix or for the linear equations, and that you also have a dependent system, and that you have a no solution as well. Notice I have that on this one here as well, no solution and dependent system. All right, the third question on here is this one here. So get the following steps into the correct order. Just a hint, these are already in the correct order. And if you watch my videos, then you can see that you actually find this particular example there. And yes, go to this Symbol Lab address. I'm noticing that I forgot something here. I will post that in the homework very soon. All right. So I just checked my own recording, and again, it's actually already in the correct order. And the one that I'm using is this one here that I called, let's see, here's the title of it. Gauss, which one is it here? Gauss-Jordan random matrix with Symbol Lab. And I'm saying here that I just put this random matrix in here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, 1, 2, and then have Symbol Lab solve it. And those are the steps. So if you watch this video, then you can definitely answer this question here, despite of what on top of what I just said, that this is already in the correct order. Now, if I kind of like repeat myself or I stumble over my own words, please forgive me, because I'm sitting here at home with distractions around me, and I'm trying to do this as user-friendly as possible with a software I'm not that I'm not used to. So please forgive me for that. As I said, I'm really trying my best here. I don't have the luxury of my office and all the software that I usually have. So I will actually sometimes use words and figure things out. Okay, so question 4 on this homework. So do problem 56 from chapter 8.4. Is this answer correct? Well, when you do that, probably true. Otherwise, I don't think I would post it. And this one here, do number 21 from chapter 8.5. And the inverse of this one here is answer correct? Well, probably true. And question 6, determinants. Again, remember what I said about that the answers are probably in the correct order. So this was my video for explaining homework 8.